Is it the right time to make a decision about Alibaba stock? Let's dive deep into the details. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 18, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. We want to ensure that you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 15, 2023, our system has ranked Alibaba as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock currently stands at a loss of -0.90% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. This means an average loss of -0.45% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a downward trend and shows signs of further decline in the near future. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential -15.60% change in the stock value over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -19.80% and -6.52%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -18.02% change in the stock value over the next year, with a potential return between -21.25% and 11.76%. This means the stock price could range from $58.15 to $82.52 in 1 year. Our latest update for Alibaba brings you the headline, Red Day on Monday for Alibaba. On the last trading day, which was Monday, December 18, 2023, the stock price of Alibaba fell by 0.9%, going from $74.51 to $73.84. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.39%, reaching a low of $73.21 and a high of $74.23. Over the past weeks, the price has been experiencing ups and downs, resulting in a 1.11% gain. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 14 million shares, with a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.23 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price for Alibaba stock was $121.30, while the lowest price was $70.09. Currently, the price is 39.13% or $47.46 below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 76.88% or $245.48 below the all-time high, which occurred on October 27, 2020, when the price reached $319.32. Here are the latest analyst ratings for Alibaba. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba a buy grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Benchmark gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Mizuho Securities gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Benchmark gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Alibaba stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price to book is also considered strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Alibaba, one of the leading companies in the market. Let's begin with the positive news. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, December 11, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 3.46%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, we also need to consider some negative signals that have been issued. These may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. It's important to note that while the Alibaba stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $78.20. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $72.46. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the volume fell together with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which gave a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which also gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator provided a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. Taking a look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 25 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, the short moving average gave a sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 71 days ago. Analyzing the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 58 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. Alibaba finds support from accumulated volume at $72.51. This means that when the stock reaches this level, there may be a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction. When it comes to risk, this stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent performance, the stock moved $1.02 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which is a 1.39% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been at 2.07%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Alibaba, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future or an undervalued stock, which might present a buying opportunity. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $2.86. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If there is an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch for is at $74.67. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be broken before considering a new position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $72.51. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point as you anticipate a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $69.98, which represents a decrease of 5.22%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 5 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? While Alibaba does have some positive signals, we believe it is currently more suitable as a hold candidate. It is recommended to hold or accumulate positions in this stock and wait for further developments. Based on our analysis of the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 19th, we anticipate Alibaba's opening price to be down $0.0800 at $73.76. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Additionally, please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful journey with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.